Hi guys, yeah, it's true. We finally got Nokia 7.2. Oh, this is actually a good rhyme. So before I can put my hands on it, I need to unbox it, of course. So this is the box of new Nokia 7.2 that was announced at Berlin IFA. So you see a little bit changes there. The boxing package is the same with Nokia 7.2 there. Android One logo is new. This one shows the cyan green device. Actually it's not. Nokia 7.2 there. So really shiny, this sticker, up to date, secure, pure, always with Nokia. At the back we have most important things that describe this phone. So it's Android 9 Pie. I got the pure display in cooperation with Pixelworks. It has the HDR video, size optics with 48 megapixel camera, everything is there. Size lenses, Qualcomm Snapdragon, yeah, 660, I know. Let's check it. So you open it like this. This is the cover, nice firm. There it is, the phone with Google Assistant and its dedicated button on the left side. This is the gorgeous back of the 7.2. Reminds me a bit of Lumia 830. Okay, let's leave the phone there. What's next? This is the SIM door key. A bunch of things that no one will actually read. And here we have all the extras. So the headphones, this is a strange package. And these are actually not WH-108. These are HS-34. They were not made in 1927. Actually, they were made in China. They got microphone there. Classic check. And these are the earphones. Hope you can see. What else? We got the classic charger. Hope you can see this. 10-watt charging. And there is the micro USB cable. Oh, actually it's Type C. Oh my god. Not getting that easy. As you can see there. Okay, let's check the device. Are you ready? Oh, gorgeous in charcoal. Nokia Mobile sent us this review unit. Actually, it's not the pre-sale unit. You obviously see fingerprints there. Android logo at the back. Size optics. Fingerprint reader. Nokia logo card. And you see how it's glossy and the light is refracting in a strange looking way. The glass is looking gorgeous. So this is the front part. With the chin, Google Assistant button. And this is the power button. And this is it. Nokia 7.2 charger. Cool. Cable, headset. Cheers. Thanks for watching.